Hello everyone, I am Nitika. Welcome you all for corporate business presentation. So in simple language, education means that we are educating to someone, that we are giving some, you can say that sharing our knowledge with someone or anyone. So if we go through our life, then education is nowadays or even the last many decades that education is a part of life. So, to make our life success. So, if we want to make our life success, then we need to have some education. You can say that some certification like that. For that, we need some knowledge and even a learning part too. So, even if we go by this period, that from the last 6 months until now, we are going through the one COVID. So that COVID in this period also, everyone trying to just adopting that digitalization and uh, establishing their businesses online to get more and more opportunity and to give more and more opportunity. So same, our company has this thing, and their motive is to provide one marketplace as Amazon, and their marketplace is related to only education and with business opportunities. So let's move further. So who can enroll in this? So anyone can. I say that anyone can enroll in this. If we take the example of students who want to work and save their future studies and they want to earn some pocket money, they can also enroll on this platform. Working professionals, if someone is there that they having the job but they need some extra income and they want to support their family and they want to do a part-time work and they have so many dreams and they want to complete them. So any working professional can also introduce in this. So educated moms. So educated moms how? So if we think that when she is a girl, she is the queen of the house. So when she is the queen of us and parents want that she have to be a self-confident girl or self-independent girl so that she can develop her growth herself. So that and he can sorry she can easily support to their family. So after marriage they have some issues, health issues and maternity issues, so that she is not able to go to office. So if she want to do work from home, she can easily do the work from this. So I say that students, working professional, educated moms, anyone can join this platform. Next, so company has created a two framework in this presentation and thus explaining this. So part one is that its company motive is to create a biggest integrated online education marketplace where the kids life start from this platform to till their professional life. So they secure their future plans and to get the free education. So everything is on a single marketplace. So we have the example that on Amazon we have everything. We have to just click the product and we get a product. So in this same, our company founders want that they secure the future from the beginning to till their professional life. So it's a very biggest thing they are doing that. Second, part two, they are interested to create a biggest integrated portal of the networkers and leaders and highest educated persons, so that if they want to share their experience and they want to and someone want to learn that how they can success in their life and in words you can say, so that can be easily possible. You can do a chat, you can do a telecall there. You just have to just click on that, and they this portal is based on artificial intelligence technology. So next, so what is the concept, the need, that why we need this project to be run? So founders say that they take the examples of their own, and they say that when they are in a 10th or 12th class, they don't know okay, what to do next. So they just if ask someone, they say that you are a farmer, it means that you also have to do the work as a farmer. If you're a businessman, then you have to also do the work as a businessman. So this scenario is going a last many years back. So now, but they say that, but nowadays everything is changing and every platform is now changing. Everyone wants to be a online platform. So their mean is that the thing we see and the thing we observe and thing we face, that cannot be done by you, so that you can easily grab the knowledge, grab the education, and grab the business opportunity, so that you can live a life very smoothly and successfully. So Picano Education. So they provide the solution. Founders of the company provide the solution, and they named as a feastmark.com, and it's just as Amazon as we discussed earlier also. So they are trying to get that class KG to 12th, your student life, your college life, your professional life to be secure in a one marketplace. And if you want to give a exam, that is a bank exam or any, you want to a profession for that, there is also a solution of that. And if you want to some skill development, then there is also a solution of that. So like that, they are giving a all thing in a one place. Next is that who should enroll. So staff supporting the board, managers in corporate, treasury professionals, internal auditors, government officials, anyone can. And if they want to do some skill development courses, if suppose chartered accountants want to do some accounts taxation course, he can also join this platform. If someone wants to do a law, then he can also go for that. And someone wants a management course, he can also enroll. So anyone needs any education and business opportunity with a business opportunity can enroll in this program. So now, what are the available courses as on date? We have that. First is that FlipLearn. That is the FlipLearn is providing your student life. So that is start from the kids. That is from the KG to 12th class. And in this, all the subjects are there. All boards are there. That is all boards. That is all India boards are there, mapped to all India boards. That is, you have NCR. Sorry, you have a CBSE board. You have a ICSE board. You have a Gujarat board. You have a Maharashtra board. So every state boards are there included in this. And personalized learning, you can learn anything. You want to learn just a script of that. You want to learn a documentation. You want to learn. You want to see a video. You can learn from video. You want to learn with the games. You can go for that. Concept simplified. Your book, your NCERT books is totally marked with this content of that. So everything is simplified in a simplified manner. There are 19,000 videos are there. There are 2 lakh questions are there, and these all are defined in the 8 elements. It means that you want to do a modules, you want to do a practice test papers, you can go for that. So fun and engaging, even they provide us that if the student want to learn from fun, that they want to play a quiz with that someone like their friends, they can easily do that. And this platform is available at everywhere. You can access this platform anywhere of the world, any corner of the world. So there is no issue if you want, if the someone, if your parents and you want to go outside for a just uh, mm, just for the environment, and the kids have some homework, they can access this and can do homework there. So you can have a credentials, you can have a personal credentials there, so you can go and attend any class, and the which you want to do, you which subject you want to learn, you can do anything with that. So next is that, so this having the FlipLearn license, having the 2 parts, that is a prime license which goes up to PV is 12 and goes up to 11,999, all online education. This is CBSE, ICSE board is there. So subjects are Hindi, English, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, Economics, History, Political Science, Geography, computers, and online examination. So plus GST costs up to 14,159. Same, they have the premium FlipLearn license, that is a PV rupees, PV 15 rupees, that is cost up to 15,000, but with GST it costs 17,700. In this same is it, but only the one difference is there in prime. Sorry, in Prime and Premium is that in Prime you will get a uh, same content, but the videos are of 2D, and in Premium you will get the videos of 3D. Only the one difference is this. And if in 3D you can have a clear picture, clear visualization, so that the student can learn more smoothly and more practically. That is the main thing. So now, Flipland versus competition. So that we are just providing you the one PPT that there is a comparison of the Baiju Topper Vedantu and Flipland. So if we see that this class that Baiju have 1 to 12 class and Toppers have class 5 to 12, wherein to have 6 to 12 classes and all subjects are there. Number of videos I already told you 19,000. Number of questions are 2.5 lakhs. So elements number of learning, that is a number of learning element means that number of learning methods are there 8, and Baiju have less than 4, Toppers have less than 4, and Vedantu has aggregated that tutors are there to 6 to 12 class. So comparison that if Baiju classes are 1 to 12, Toppers 5 to 12, and Vedantu 6 to 12, and Math and Science Baiju have all subjects and except Hindi with Toppers, and all subjects with Vedantu. But all comparison with the class range subjects, number of videos, number of question, number of elements. So Fliplan is having the more content rather than the Baiju and Toppers and Vedantu. So you can have a comparison. This is a good comparison they have given that. So next is the skill development. So student life we have done with the Fliplan licenses. So this is a skill development. My legal studio law license. This is a diploma course of the 1 year and it costs PV 15, but rupees it's 19,000 and plus 18% GST, that is a 22,420. So in this all the subjects are there: content, competition law, labor law. And if someone want to have a competition exam after 12, they want to learn, go to a competition exam in a for a LLB, or want to higher education, they have this, go through this diploma and they can have the content of the all the things in this. There is the videos also. So he can easily or she can easily learn the things from this related to the law. And sometimes we are in a professional life and we want some that we have a just knowledge of law, need to some knowledge of what are the rules and regulations, then you can have a this diploma also, so that you can easily have a merger and acquisition is there, security law is there, business communication is there. So anything you can go for diploma if you want to learn professional your life, in a professional life, in a your after 12th you want to learn, go for a LLB, then you can also learn that. And if you want to higher education, higher part of that, then you have to clear the basics, then you can have also diploma for that. So next is that edX. That is, edX is one in which this is the one platform in which you have a life of your college life. So student life you have done and your skill development you have done. Now is about your college life. So any course you want to do that is related to your computers part, management part, that is related to your engineering part, that is related to hotel management, any programming you want to do, any course you want to do related to AWS, cloud computing, and more than that you want to learn a Python, you want to learn a Linux, then this is the edX is one that which provide you the free education. And this having the 2,800 plus courses, and plus they have the learners, about 25 million learners are there, and 87 million plus enrollments across India success there. So it's 140 universities worldwide are tapped. That is the international. In this, your Oxford, your Harvard, your MIT, all universities are tapped. The founder of these even are Harvard and MIT. So, and many these are courses you can learn from this and everything. But one thing you have to remember that in this, uh, all the things are okay. But if you can learn free education anywhere, any course from this. But if you want a certification, then you have to do a payment of that. It the course started from minimum to maximum, so it's depend on your cost, what amount you want to do, which course you want to enroll. So next is MCAT, and this is the one of the professional, uh, you can say professional course that is it increase your chances to get a job. So MCAT is one just to take MTech. MTech is generally a your reasoning plus logical plus ability test, and fourth module is that this is the same as your profile. If you have engineer background, then the test will be of the engineer. If you are from the management, then the fourth test one is same as of management. So it depends upon your background that which qualification you have already done. So can take the fourth module the same as your background. So in this, you can just have to take the MCAT is that you get a school, start applying, and get shortlisted and get hired. So this is one, and it is cost up to PV1. We will get a PV1, but rupees is 2399 plus GST, that is 431 is equal to 283. So it amount up to cost up to 2831 rupees. So this is the MCAT type, and this is the that 50 lakh students are already enrolled. It means that it gives you the more chance that suppose if I've done the graduation and I just go through my I just applied to Naukri portal or some references are there, but I have a total chance to get a job of 10%. But by the AMCAT, I have a increase to 40 to 50%. Reason being that 3,000 plus companies are already linked with it. So it's easy for me to get a job in through MCAT. So next is proposed a license that company has targeted to complete these tie-up with these also licenses, that is your study and learn within two, and Topper also, Baiju also, Dami also, Data City also. So they are trying to just give one common marketplace so that everything can be available in a one common place. So next, how to buy a license? You can use a Coinbase and online payment gateways. There you can use a PayPal. You can use Cashfree. You can use all debit cards and credit cards for the amount to be transferred in their banks. So next is yes, a process of business. So now the business part is start. So business part said that this is a referral marketing business. So companies say you have to join, you have to promote, and you have to earn. So this depends upon your earning depends on your promotion plus your joining. So how much you join, how much you promote, you will get the positive result like that. So if you just start giving the referral to anyone, you start your network, use the network to link with this business opportunity, you will earn more and more like that. So our license are retailer, distributor, and repurchase. Retailer is one. Just you came and join our company, that is your retailer. And if you want to be a distributor, then you have to buy a 8 license together or give us the direct 8 referral, so that you will become a distributor and company gives you the one license as a bonus. If you are becoming a distributor directly to the company. So repurchase is one. If you uh, take a license, if you take a 15 or 20 license together from the company, and you can just hold that license with you yourself. So if someone came and buy the license from you can do that also. That is your repurchase part. Next is that referral business bonus. So we are talking about PV12. So if you are going for a business for the PV12, that is, so if suppose Sankar sponsor gives a direct referral to Sonia, then he will get an income of 50%, that is rupees 6,000. And if Sankar direct referral to Mahesh, then 50% again he will get, that is 6,000. So total 12,000, PV of 12, he will get a return his money back. You can refer unlimited directs to in this company. So more you direct, more you income have. So next is your team cycle bonus. So if Soumya gives a one referral to anyone and join anyone, suppose he joined Nitesh and Mahesh referred someone and joined Tinku. So they both are direct to Mahesh, Sonia and Mahesh, but indirect to Sankar. So Sankar get a rupees 600 rupees. So weekly payout cap limit is 3 lakh, and this is the 1:1 team bonus, weekly unlimited, that is there. So it means that left one and right one. So that is your 1:1 ratio team bonus is there. So now is referral business bonus for PV 15. So it suppose Sankar also seen that he left so Sankar referred to Somya for 15,000 PV 15 and he will get a return 50% return, that is rupees 7,500 as an income. And same Sankar referred to direct refer to Mahesh, then again he will get a 50%, that is 7,500. So 15,000 total he will get a return money. So in the same you can do any unlimited directs, you can do that. So next is team cycle bonus. Same as this, one ratio one. And if Somya and Mahesh any direct to someone, link to direct someone and network, they they tie with, they refer to someone and but indirect to Sankar, then rupees 750 will get to Sankar. So weekly payout cap limit is this rupees 3 lakh in this also. So company has launched his company in on 15 August. Sorry, pre-launch is there going on. Pre-launch period is going on, but company has launched on 15 August. Pre-launch is going to be held was on 15th August. So that awards, now the awards is up to 19th October 20. So if someone purchase a direct, someone having a direct referral of the 10 license, then he will get a LED TV, and if 20 license, then he will get a Lenovo laptop, and 30 then give a Splendor scooty. And if they are 80, 150, 200, 250, 400 license, for the 80 license they get Bullet, 150 Alto, 200 Wagoner R, 250 license for Baleno, and 400 for CR. So for the 80, 150, 200, 250, 400, that is your grouping income. That contains your left and right 1 to 1 ratio, 1 to 1 ratio bonus, 1 to 1 ratio group. So it means that 80 license in the left and 80 license in the right. So that will be counted as 150 in the left, 150 in the right, 200 in the left, 200 in the right. So that as so that's group income. So for the 150 right and 150 right and 150 left, you will get Alto. For the 200 right and 200 left, you will get a Wagoner R, like this. So next is Achiever Scholarship. So company also give that, see that total for the distributor you have to collect the PV 120, silver, for the silver you have to collect 240, for the gold you have to collect 555, diamond for the 990. So paid, so license you have to get for the distributor is 8, and for the silver you have 15. But if you want to go for the direct designation or for the direct achiever of the scholarship, you can go ahead with that. So you can get directly go to gold, you can directly go to diamond, you can directly go to platinum, you can directly go to king. So if suppose that someone wants to get directly go to king, then he required a PV of 6825 and 15 PV license, 400 license. So free Flipland license is 45, but total directly he will go to total free license received, that is 100. And we already discussed that 1 PV is equal to rupees 1,000 and this. So payout from company always pay out his income on every Tuesday. So you have to just open your website and click withdrawal button. You will get your payout. So next is that this is the social media platform the company. This is the second part of which we have discussed earlier also, that company creating a social media platform of the leaders and networkers with the artificial intelligence. They are making a one portal to link all networkers and leaders in a common platform so that they can share their knowledge. And it's a global, it's a, not a, you can say that for the India, but it's for the worldwide, that is it's a global, with all the international national link leaders and networkers are linked at a one single portal. And they have some licenses, they are free license. If you want to free chat with them, any of them, you can have that. There is a website that is a mlmlinkers.com, so you can have that. So if you want to a free chat with them, you can contact up to 20 networkers leaders that, and they having the company also provide them a review that how they are working and like that. So you can have that. And if you want to a basic license for the PV, that is a PV 1,000 rupees, and plus GST, it goes up to 1180. So that is this basic license is in a process. It will take a time because it's a artificial intelligence based technology platform. So it will take a time. It will take, I think, approx 1 year for this. So you can have unlimited connection. Then live chat is there, live voice call is there, live video call is there, live photo sharing is there. So many functions are there you can do, and you can share your experience in words with any networker and leader, so that you can directly connect with them. So you can connect with that as a rating. That if the rating is good, you can go for that, like that. So for the referral business bonus for the PV1, so same, Sankar have to sponsor, if Sankar direct referral to Soumya and Mahesh, then 50% he will get from Sonia, and 50% he will get from Mahesh, then 1,000 he will have a return to his money. So you can refer unlimited direct, same as like previous one. So team cycle bonus is that 1-to-1 ratio, that is a rupees 50 is there. So weekly cap limit is there, rupees 25,000 only. So conclusion at the end is that this is the platform which provide you the education at one marketplace, and plus the business opportunity, which is a unique one that I have not even listened about, that company providing a direct referral of 50% income. And even a team bonus is also a good part. So conclusion is that unchallenged world best compensation is there, weekly payout is there, secure transaction is there, talk of the town, best ever seen in the affiliate marketing. So first come, first serve, we are requesting that join, promote, and earn the money. So a once in a lifetime rare opportunity. So company says pre-launch is going on, that company is having a second step, but launch, concentration, momentum, stability is still is on a path. So I think pre-launch is now going a time. Let's see that which is the best you can do that. So launch is going. Launch will be in October. You all know that that is in the 9th or 15th October, maybe that. So having the four more steps, it's a starting of the journey. So you can, anyone can join at a first come first serve, like that. So company logo is that Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. So always you are most welcome to join us with this unique opportunity, with the unique business opportunity, and just a common in marketplace. A common marketplace is the one which I think that this is a good part, that education is at one level. So if we touch any school, uh, and college, and even professional life, so all together they are just curing our kids' life from the starting to the professional life. That is a very amazing part. So at the end, I am very thankful to everyone who listened me. It's a very grateful. Thank you very much.